Hey, right from millsgm.com, 2B180062A. One owner, 2017 Buick Enclave Premium. Sold new here, traded on a new body style 18 Enclave Premium, low miles and GM certified pre-owned. Meaning this vehicle has 12 months, 12,000 miles of additional bumper-to-bumper warranty. This vehicle has a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It has went through a 172-point inspection. It's a big sheet of stuff that they check out on this. This is a great vehicle. Like I said, 100% clean bill of health, GM certified, bought new here, Bill's GM, low miles, completely loaded, and very, very, very clean. Know these folks personally. It's been very well taken care of. You're looking for the right one, the right clean one, this is it. Give us a call at millsgm.com if you're interested in this. Any SUV on our website, sometimes they're not even there yet. They sell before you even see them. Give us a call, 888-829-3504.